Chris Hagan up at Oregon State University Cascades was hired here at the Energy Systems Engineering Department back in 2012. And what happened is that he came to the school with an award from the ARPA-E agency, which is within the Department of Energy. He was given $1 million to develop a proof of concept that would put natural gas compression on board vehicles. Technically, Onboard Dynamics is the first spin out from Oregon State University Cascades campus. Chris and his team accomplished the proof of concept. Now we have to truly make that a commercially viable product. And we have to make it a product that people want. It has to address a pain point. We feel we've come up with what that market is, which is the underserved small fleet owners or fleet operators who have less than 50 vehicles on a particular site. We are assuming that the technology is going to work. We're just making that assumption. And because we have a very strong team that's going to see that that happens. Our product roadmap right now sees us, first of all, putting in our very first product on a pickup truck for Deschutes County Road Department. The end game is truly being partnered up with an OEM because the technology is integrated into their engines. We just got back from our trip to Detroit last week and we're working with the OEMs. It was fabulous. It was like a wonderful learning experience and we generated some interest. We met with all the big three, Chrysler, GM, and Ford. So it's very exciting times for the company. Cheryl Martin came here from ARPA-E. She came here because she'd heard so much buzz from her team who'd been coming out here every quarter for the last 2 years. And she was like, I gotta see what's happening there in Bend. I mean, she could feel it. You know, it's like, this is a great place to start up a company. From my perspective, innovation is really new ideas that take form and get out of the research lab environment into the hands of people who can make it, who can execute on those ideas. But it's all about, you know, if it works, will it matter? And that phrase to me is just like, it encapsulates the power of innovation.